Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on CSS applied visual design. And we're going to learn about how Bezier curves work. So when we use this animation timing function property, there was some given keywords that CSS already has, such as we can see here, linear, ease out, but they're not that specific. We can adjust the level of details of linear ease out using Bezier curves. And Bezier curves are used with the cubic Bezier function. We have to think of like an XY coordinate. And it's going to be hard to explain over this one tutorial, but the cubic Bezier function consists of four main points that sits on the 1x1 grid. So it takes in these four parameters, P0, P1, P2, P3, P2, P3. And the P0 to P3 are set for you. They are the beginning and end points, which are always located respectively at the origin of 0, 0, and 1, 1. So 0, 0, 1, 1. And you set the XY values for the other 2 points, and where you place them in the grid indicates the shape of the curve for the animation to follow. This is done in CSS by declaring the X and Y values of the P1 and P2 anchor elements, points in the form of X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Pulling it all together, here's the example of it. So we have this is the property, this is the value, we see it takes 4, and we see that X1, 0.25, Y1, 0.25, X2, 0.75, and Y2, 0.75, which, if you remember in geometry class, results in a line that extends from the origin point of 1, 1. So this animation is a linear change of element during the length of an animation, which is the same with the linear keyword. So it's constant speed. So it should be done as this, but we're gonna write it in cubic Bezier instead. So it just wants us to change the animation function from linear to what they have it here. And this is probably the most basic one because it's linear, but you're gonna need a lot more practice to really understand cubic Bezier, and it's kind of more advanced. So you can stick with the preset ones to start off with. But that should be it for this one. Thank you so much.